Hello, mamangi video daina question ani NEET series ki sembre dunga si videos da question mga katang ay solve tawjage IIT ti question kharaga NEET ti question kharaga si question sin NEET ta hangi ba NEET 2017 hangi question ni identify A and predict the type of the reaction sigi metabromoanisole se sika NH2 ka reaction to A product form to ko. Now the question is identify A. We need to identify A and we need to predict the type of the reaction among this option, right? Let me solve this question. Okay, solution. This is anisole OCH3 is the Br is here, right? Okay, NH2, this is strong base, very strong base, and this NH2 minus ion from NH2 will abstract a hydrogen from this position. This will abstract, let me change the color. Okay, this abstract this hydrogen, and these two electrons will form a bond here, and this Cl will Br will go out. So we will get a special type of intermediate here. This will be COCH3. Okay, this is called benzyne intermediate. Now this benzyne intermediate, NH2 abstracts hydrogen to form NH3, right? So this NH3 will be added, this is minus, and H plus will be added. This reaction, now in this case what will happen, because of this I effect of O, this position will have some electron deficiency due to the minus I effect of oxygen. So this will have some deficiency of electrons, so this amine group, NH2 group, will be added to this carbon atom, and the hydrogen will be added to this carbon atom. So we will get this product. This extra pi bond will be broken. This will be OCH3, and to this carbon atom NH3 will be attached. So this step is elimination. This step is elimination because hydrogen and Br go out to form a pi bond here, and this step is addition reaction. This step is addition reaction. So the product A is this compound 2-methoxyaniline. So this is the answer, and the reaction is elimination followed by addition reaction, right? So the correct option in this for this question is A. The product is this compound, and the type of the reaction is elimination addition reaction, right? Okay, let me go to the next question. The next question is the reaction of toluene with Cl2 in presence of FeCl3 gives X, and reaction in presence of light gives Y. X and then Y are. We need to identify X and Y, right, among these four options. So this was asked in CBSE PMT 2010. So let me solve this question. This is an easy question. This is our toluene. This is toluene, and this is reacted with, first is Cl2 in presence of FeCl3. FeCl3. This is an electrophilic substitution reaction, and the second one is we are reacting this toluene with chlorine in presence of light. In presence of light, this is free radical substitution reaction, and this is electrophilic substitution reaction. So in electrophilic substitution reaction, substitution in the benzene ring takes place. So we need to check whether CH3 is ortho para directing group or methyl directing group. So we know that this methyl is ortho para directing group. So in this case, when reacted with chlorine FeCl3, ortho and the para product will be formed like this. This is our methyl to the ortho position. We will have chlorine, and to the para position we will have chlorine. So X must be ortho para. This is not correct. This is not correct. Ortho para chlorotoluene. This is correct, right? X is correct because this is the correct option. But I'm writing Y also. When toluene is reacted with chlorine in presence of light, free radical substitution reaction takes place to displace this chlorine, this hydrogen from this benzyl carbon atom by chlorine. So this can be benzyl chloride, or this can be trichloromethylbenzene. So all according to option, benzyl chloride is also correct, but benzyl chloride is not given along with the correct option of B in this case. So Y must be trichloromethylbenzene. All the hydrogen atoms in the benzyl carbon atom are displaced by chlorine. So this will be this is Cl3. This will be the structure of Y. So the correct option for the question is C. X is ortho para chlorotoluenes and Y is trichloromethylbenzene. Right? Let me go to the next question. Next question is, phenol reacts with methyl chloroformate in the presence of NaOH to form product A. This product A reacts with bromine to form product B. So we need to identify A and B. This was asked in G Mains 2018. So let me solve this question. This is phenol. This is phenol. Let me write phenol in this position, OH in this position. This is our phenol, and in presence of NaOH. So when phenol is reacted with NaOH, we will have an acid-base type reaction to form this phenoxide ion. This will be our phenoxide ion, and Na plus will be there. This is not necessary to show in this reaction. And this phenoxide ion will react with methyl chloroformate. Methyl chloroformate, this is acid-base reaction. So in presence of base, acid-base reaction will take place first, right, before the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, this phenoxide ion will act as a base, as a nucleophile, sorry, to react with this methyl chloroformate, right? This is methyl chloroformate. So when this, let me change the color again. When this phenoxide ion attacks to this carbon atom, this pi bond is broken and again return to remove this Cl, right, like this. So we will have this product. Benzene. O will be attached to this carbon atom. So, and the Cl goes out. So this will be the structure of our A, right? This is A. This is our A. So this is reacted with bromine. This is given in the question. This is reacted with bromine to form product B. So bromination takes place, right? So since this oxygen has lone pair of electron, this will give electrons to the ortho and the para position. So ortho and para position. So our product, when the Br will be attached to the para position. That will be our major product. So the minor product will not ask in the question, so we need to write the major product only. So this will be our Br in the para position of O, and that is OC double bond OCH3. This will be our, this is CH3, right? This is our B. So let us choose the correct options. A is this. This is okay. This is okay. But B is not okay. B is not okay. B must be to the para position of O. So this is B. So the correct option to the question is C. Okay. Let me go to the next question. The next question is an easy question. What is the final product B of this sequence? Toluene is reacted with Br2 in presence of light. A is formed, and A is reacted with KCN followed by acidic hydrolysis, heat, B is formed. So we need to choose the structure of B from these options. So now let me solve this question. This is our toluene, and this is reacted with Br2 in presence of light. So free radical substitution by bromine will take place at the benzyl carbon atom. This is our Br, right? This is our A, and this A is reacted with KCN. Br will be substituted by nitrile group, so we will get this CH2 CN, and this is further reacted with water in presence of an acid, that is H2O plus, or you can write H3O plus, this same. So this is acidic hydrolysis of what? CN. Hydrolysis of CN produces carboxylic acid. So our final product B, this is our A, our final product B will be CH2, CN will be converted into COOH. This is our B. Let us choose the correct option from the question. This is not correct. D is the correct option, right? 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. This is 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. Let me go to the last question of this video. Which of the following, upon treatment with tertiary butoxide, sodium tertiary butoxide, followed by addition of bromine water, fails to decolorize the color of bromine? So the concept of this question is, when this double bond is reacted with bromine water, bromine will be added to this double bonded carbon atom like this. Vicinal dibromide will be formed. So in this reaction, the color of bromine will vanish, right? Decolorization of bromine water will take place. So we need to check from the option whether there will be possibility of forming double bond or not when reacted with tertiary butoxide, which is a strong base. This is a very strong base. So in this option this is only one carbon atom. So there is no possibility for forming double bond in this case after removing this Br by this from the and let me show the elimination by this group as an example. Suppose this is Br and this is hydrogen. This is called alpha carbon atom, this is called beta carbon atom, and if it is reacted with this tertiary butoxide, let me write it in the short form. This is tertiary butyl group, this is tertiary butoxide, and this will abstract this hydrogen from the beta carbon atom, and a pi bond will be formed, Br will be removed, so alkene will be formed like this, right? This will be the alkene by reacting with tertiary butoxide. Beta elimination will take place to form a double bond, and if double bond is formed in the first reaction, then bromination will take place and the decolorization of it will occur. So there is no beta carbon atom in this option. This is alpha carbon atom, no beta carbon atom is there, so there is no possibility to form a double bond by reacting with this tertiary butoxide group. In fact, this A will react with this tertiary butoxide to form an ether, not an alkene, because no beta hydrogen is present in this case, so no beta elimination will take place to form a double bond. So correct option is A, because there is no double bond that will be formed by reacting with tertiary butoxide in this case, so there will be no decolorization of bromine water. Means the product formed by reacting this compound with this tertiary butoxide will not react with bromine water because it lacks the double bond. But in this case, this is alpha, this is beta, so there is beta hydrogen in this case, elimination will take place, there will be a double bond in at this position, so the product will react with bromine, so decolorization of bromine will take place. Similarly, in this case also, this is alpha, this is beta, so the product formed by reacting with this tertiary butoxide will react with bromine, that is decolorization of bromine will take place. In this case also, there is one beta carbon atom, beta hydrogen is there, elimination of this hydrogen will take place to form a double bond here, and this Br will be removed, so there will be a double bond and this will react with bromine. So this is the correct option, right? Okay, thank you guys. I'm before completing this video, I'm writing the product of this reaction, this product compound with what? This is the compound, and if it is reacted with tertiary butoxide, right? So this will be the structure of sodium. This is Na. This is the structure of tertiary butoxide, and the Br and the Na will go out to attach this oxygen to this carbon atom, right? So we will have an ether here, and the structure of the ether will be like this. O will be attached to this carbon atom, and this carbon atom will be attached to this oxygen, and to this oxygen this 3 methyl groups will be attached. This will be the product. So this product will not react with bromine. So the correct option is A. Okay, thank you guys. Please share this video with your friends, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.